Hello everyone, welcome back to another Think Crypto video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track whale wallets using Etherscan and Zerion. Now, what are whale wallets? Whale wallets are wallets from crypto users who have a large amount of crypto in their wallet. So this is usually millions of dollars worth of crypto. Why is this important? This is important because you always want to swim with the whales instead of against the whales. If you see an early pattern of whale wallets buying a specific cryptocurrency, you may want to use that as one of your indicators to buy. If you see an early pattern of whale wallets selling a specific cryptocurrency, you may want to use that as one of your indicators to sell. So, how do you track these whale wallets? So we'll be using Etherscan, so we would need to find an Ethereum-based token since we're using Etherscan. Let's look into Strong. So what you want to do is, in order to find whale wallets that are holding Strong, you want to copy the Strong token address right here. Copy. Right, and then you want to go to Etherscan. I'll add all of these links into the description below, and you want to paste that address into the search bar. Alright, so now that you're here, you want to click on the token tracker, let it load, and then go to, it says transfers and holders. You want to click on holders. And let's take a look through these addresses. And it'll tell you exactly how much the address is holding, the value in dollars and the quantity in the token. So in this case, it's Strong. So looks like this person has $572,311.26. So this may be a good example to use for tracking a whale wallet. So you want to click on this address, this wallet address. Then you want to go here. It says filtered by token holder. This is the same address. You want to copy it. Okay, copied. And then you want to go over to Zerion. Zerion allows you to connect your wallet and see what you have in your wallet, or track other wallets. So here where it says track any wallet, you just want to paste it into here and then press this arrow button right beside it. And voila. So now you can see his overall portfolio value, his or her overall portfolio value. It's $23,973,381. And you can scroll down here and see what they're holding. They're holding Ethereum, USD Coin, Tether, and Strong. So what this tells me is they are heavy in stable coins right now. So you can also go over here under history and see their history, what they've been receiving, right? You can look through that if you want. We can go to NFTs and see what NFTs they are collecting. You can go through all these. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can track a whale wallet, see what they currently hold in their wallet, see their history and their NFTs as well. So you can use the same exact process to track whale wallets and tokens that you hold on the Ethereum network to see what those wallets are holding, as well as tracking what they're buying and selling, and possibly use them as one of your indicators. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit thinkcrypto.info for more free content. Till next time.